Hello YouTube, this is Alfred here again with another video. This time we have the Icon Professional Stubby Wrench Set in both the 10-piece metric and standard sizing. On the left side here you can see the metric stubbies. This one here, again, like I was saying, comes in a 10-piece. The sizing includes 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, quarter, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, and half, all in stubby, no skip sizing. The box states precision machined for a perfect non-slip fit, tough and durable polished chrome finish, includes premium storage tray and chrome vanadium steel. As all Icon tool or all Icon hand tools, lifetime warranty is guaranteed. So if any of the wrenches or hand tools that are in use, if there's any damage or if they break or anything like that, walk into any Harbor Freight and you can exchange them at no cost. Here is the side of the box here, Professional Stubby Wrench Set, again the 10-piece in standard. The part number here is WCSTS-10. Here's a little bit of the back and a little bit of the red tray for the standard stubby wrenches. A little bit of things that I already stated: chrome polish, slim profile design, balanced handle, angled end, 15-degree offset for knuckle clearance, making it easier to use around. Again, here's a little bit of a visual of these stubbies and their lengths. So yeah, that's it for the standard. Let me go on to the right side here. We have the metric 10-piece size for the stubbies. For the wrench set, it starts at 16 millimeters, 17, 18, 19, continues. I'm sorry, it starts at the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and finishes off with the 16, 17, 18, and 19. For the stubby wrench set, again, this is a 10-piece set, no skip sizing, same deal. Chrome vanadium steel, includes the storage tray. For the metric, Icon usually goes with the black trays and red trays for the standard. Yeah, so same deal here. 10-piece metric set. Here is the part number, WCSTM-10. And again, the same quality, same features, same lifetime warranty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unbox them, take them out of this box, and I will be right back. Okay, so here is the stubby wrench set in both standard and metric out of the Icon box. So you can see here are the trays. Here's a visual for the standard tray and the visual for the metric tray. In the boxes, you do have this plastic cover to protect the wrenches from any scratches in shipping. And here they go. Here is the stubby metric, and here is the stubby wrench set for these. I'm sorry, this is the metric. This is for the standard. Just to show you, here's a 3/4. This is the biggest sizing that comes in the standard wrench set. Very nice quality, 12-point design. With the part number and sizing number of the wrench. For the metric size here, the biggest they have is a 19 millimeter Icon. Again, same great quality here. And the part number here in the back. Comparing sizes for the 3/4 and the 19 millimeter. Seems around the same-ish sizing. As far as length, overall lengths go. These are great, again, for automotive work or in trying to get a fastener from a tight space and a wrench is required. Having a stubby style wrench, definitely you can get into smaller spaces. So this is actually my first set of stubby wrenches that I personally own. And I'm glad that they're Icon wrenches because these are the best quality wrenches that I own overall, so I'm super happy with that piece. But overall, here is just a quick look and unboxing of the Icon wrenches in both metric and in standard. Okay, thank you all for watching. Have a good rest of your day.